Etienne the Violence Lovers Association of Ghana. Yeah, do violence no enra. You know, na ebi a cookie up between Family Music and the ex-manager Ogidi Brown. Inyina no. Sa violence we starting no na amount for ntiase, but nyame ayadom Ogidi Brown aye video aba explain enra, you know, who na start to media no so no. De ekofa bae. Aha penya blog media mesrewa. Say over like video na over subscribe button so na be click the notification icon for latest updates. Na be kire wadwen e de ama me e wo comment section. Etienka Bishop enra ene hu say first Family Music oni delay interview bi e pop up ana family e kire mu say omuko oni ne ex manager eko antoa so omuko da ne dua ana ye Ogidi Brown ana abo no family ni dua
whatever that Bobas have reason it here Antoa. Yes, so we be with money.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Is it ningi na munu na Ogidi Brown when he say bia wabo na you were unfair to him?
Of course, so wabo me.
Okay.
Anyway, as in we nyina bobo en won sa na do top.
And Ujidi say, do you accept say Obo when you were not fair to him at the time?
I know the main person me do musuko bebre because ne hia na say wabo me. Ana ndem we hanom.
Okay.
Ana bibia ye cool. Me nya sure say wabo abonten. Kasa say family ye ni say.
But they say mummy no a relationship to say.
Fine dey nya fine.
Munya fine still.
Oh dabi.
What I say? Family e chirim say Ogidi Brown aboni dua omoko da ne dua no wa antoa e fasika sem. Now that particular interview no Ogidi Brown ehu ye na eno no so ye video in response to that.
Yeah. Want to menya fine your family. Want to menya fine that. Now ayana still I wonder say what me ko baby a ye bisa me ho asem kra what me nya akokuduro kasa. Family ayana me pesa metesa wo bo me din kra o say Ogidi bedi edin Ogidi Brown no kra pesa metesa wo bo no wa no kra. When say since member out to be after say Antoa issue ne sa nyoma ne ba nsem a wo keka no social media so na baby out delay kan no enya sa na tie enya no kre adaya we paid more than that we paid a scar ya de tools so you paid more than that hey bra now sometimes I can't even forgive myself metimi tenase na metimi dwene na mesu. Like me share, like I can't forgive myself. Say me twen wo ben me ho pa like me share how I me twen wo ben me ho me kai sa moment na like me rate me who say why di enti pa na me yes a mistake we di enti na me yes a mistake we di enti say me jimi ya me damo di enti ya na da so ya me ya obi wa wo ncha da hu di me ti me damo jemo hospital. Me am first ka wo fomo na me fa me wura mo na menu am fa se menu ya na nyina ye nko yanim na otieti am so sei otieti am so na afrosro you know you were up to something when me nam nyina na wo adwene bone wo tinmu dada na otieti am so na de frosro na wo timi nya akokoduro onsa ase me nka akoda wo me nka ho asem biem yemfa ntoa de ne ba embra ba ye no yemfa ntwam ene ye sa ache yemfa ntwam but recently just 1 year or 2 enduru 1 year kra na 2 years ago recently wa wonim de wasa ye me yemfa antoa issue ni nyina anto nchen but wa wonim de wasa ye me anyuma me de misika promote ya no de fa sika bi afa ne se wo de wa fa ni nyina ahye ma promote wa ma ahye but recently wa wonim de wasaye me na wo ya aboro we wo ya aboro ya kase bi a obi badwin se bi a me penno me nsem kan but minim wo fa me ye running yakopo na I know say wo no we ye ebe tantan wo we ye ohun ebe onwa we ye better say musician bi as say anasem aba amanfo ka bi sana make a chiro sana we ye be ye wo na wo ko gina ba bi kura abom din kura bi m kura na mbetu ya ka wo family wo na eba na odu aye no wo betwa aba na odu aye no edua na wadua wo betwa ansa na wo akọ yo so afa ho yo so anya ho afa adi share me say sometimes if I sit down na me calculate na me hwe kwan me fa so twen wo ben me e fa wo se me nua yeah, like I can't even forgive myself. But me said them na me so me say boy we yo ho enye boy we semensia me maame a kamenu maduro we family na oda won or a wicked boy or a wicked or family to say daytime and rob like obetimi out rob you daytime that me say I hate you I can't I make my catch up me power some kura me too me twem baby na too me to nyum kra na me bu afu I didn't know was a basa aso me de akoma pa ne hia wo me de odo ne hia wo ene wanya baby agina ho ne se no ano no nsranka nyame sa abkoa nsen ovura nsranka nyame I was saying kawo brema sekora at nsranka nyame na yebehu ebi ye no yebehu why ye honko na me say abana odua no betwa ansa na baby apeso oduru no aduru betwa wo betwa yawa me fem ne de metin ni situation me kom no behu bi be feel bi pa fucking boy that's what come on says we are obi e na de oboa me mamboa enko kan ba bia ha da se me boa mamboa enya hwe emiye me bregui
Nese beef no de busu a start hyehyehye and beef we enye ne na bedo muntem edo muntem ache etuen eye generational beef abe generational beef I want to for family ase for na council amu nyina be ba beto beef ne so ai eye kama pa now asemesie na manfo ne yente ase se duabo no emu te say asem no mu te say ankasa ye hia nkyeremu finally me hu se Ogidi Brown aye video a all chere asem mu ankasa said the esisi.
Okay, so Enra me a video be about family na I think say nipa be grant mase oko comment section oko we are nipa be obi a chere na adwene differently na be say me chere adeko video na me say man kasan wi na video ni na nipa bi ansa dante ase. The thing is it's not about say let it go, forgive him, forget near the and about let it go and forgive him. No, ma forget that at some way me transfer that which is like 2020 na move on no man me transfer a coin day up to traditional house and trauma you call on penifone asem no kind e ma se bi hono so e call yankobodua wo ye kwatena ase e ma omukura ne be mu ma sika akra otimitu ya bi na anka akoda when to escort to my satisfaction next can be but anka asem no akoda ama obi na hwe nua mu nyina obi ase me movie on I'm going on, I'm doing my thing what I say. But early last year me wo hwa tie baby ye me ya no de aye me ya na asem ni twamo me no waja adwuma ye obi aten baby enye hwe. Early last year me wo hwa which is 2024 ye ana ye 2024 ni. Early last year me wo hwa na YouTube menya message copyright owner claim nothing I get and say maybe they be na question na ya taking it down. Oh no enya message copyright owner claim nobody dey say maybe by family to by class na copyright owner no is family na ya chro wase na ya cancel no kwam ya taking it down. Na digital stores na enyum ni nyina wo baby including cause me no the thing is me ye ade bia me ana me yem bia me third person bia me amisu na ba ye how are you uploading mu to digital stores, how are YouTube ne ade monetization, everything me I do everything by myself what I say. me person watch now no be ya the night no so me no ye be me be natural so this is how it is say what I say into no anka we ne de anka atwamuko but adint na enyom na me promote ya no enyom strong hits na ba ye na enom emam so ma obeye we no what taking in na down sanum na nya wodia enya wodia what taking in na down zan can make say like asa affecting me YouTube channel asa affecting me YouTube channel your digital distributors be or more accepting me beam almost someone menya adwuma beam because of that omo hu ne say me we are obenyum enti no claim no ye say the offense say copyright owner then enti no na say we enti atoas ye ma warning atoaso baako atoaso mienu enti atoaso 4 na say wo ye kronfo wo ye wi amanfo content na to platform no so what asem na me che no and we taking in and down. Into me reach up to him, I was Snapchat, me chatting no fast. So bro, then how you know? What I saw what you say? Ya kasa or di my temper to be so. What I say, mamba out. But the thing is, I am in person met test or booming up baby cry. Oh yeah, new ma win na. We new ma win na. Now what na baby and what said I wabuami. Why you say nani baby who say you are grateful like I say why ya there no na ya bisa akatasu mumu so na mem baby who kura na ye me time no. Cause time I ye adwuma kwa no memo amebo and ye ma win na kura no for that time kura na person be meeting o baby kura man department camp. But what ya sam na me che na say Sebi, and they say, ya be near the ya wouldn't de like my is gone. And they say, I forget it, but was say Ugusua was say me maybe. What I sam na make a show. Nanka digital stores, Sanyono, and yes, my own, and the infant say, ya Jumanagu, I say, a Kadiaka, no. No, the Yakin in our shoes, in our foul body. The Yakin is the Yaka is annual for no pay. A woman anchor digital store, over $50 be, $40 be, $100 be, not better than the etro rega crane biano. One be Cacrano, Waboka, but the Bosumi be our Hana say about, and actually, oh, no manage. Boy, and that's half assassin, meaning as I can. I pay some of our men in J. Over some of our men cast and pan found. No, nipper being teasia, but with time, no. I think send them coupon as an enemy maker now. What they Koswa, Nakashi and Kudru, a musmoon told that. Koswa, Nakashi and Kudrusa, who hinds are. Make sure say, in darkness, part their own fed. Because I think say you are going at the sadness thing is Ghana no the good no the good people no they suffer and the bad people they survive what I say like me who said me saying obi betimi aye abokro no obi betimi atwe se kan si obi so akuno obi betimi aye obi ade but all fam no nyeska no people think so nyame na ehira no obi dwen say na mebo family dua bi the same still na ankosiaga oguso awo konanim oguso akonim anko ni dua wo asem ne yokokan manko we shene say na membre na se that's I say I don't have to talk too much. One man for be asking me so. But really, I will never let it go. And not the Yamea. San and Yumna was taking in and down. Emma affecting me YouTube channel, Ninjano, and Yamea. What I say?
So this is what Ogidi Brown has to say concerning Adina beef na start on the previous artist. But I say only the previous artist, family music, on a manage family. But now as family na aka no oni ni nye free bio omoton kwanta oma papa lie what I say oma papa lie omo enye free bio eti Ogidi Brown ana aba be kire asem ne mo se video na odin kan be ye no se na mo ntiase a this is the explanation or it supported the idea obetima kire wadwene e wo comment section ni nyina efa sika ho sika ne 1500 euros Ogidi Brown kire se ne artist family ya twene de family se kire sika no de eye ne dia ontwe Ogidi Brown eniye eno ho ene de wi asemi abedire ne we kire wadwene e wo comment section aha yepanya blog media